Popular dancehall entertainer Popcaan detained in the UK once again. The dancehall artist is calling on Prime Minister Mr. Andrew Holness for answers. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Yo, me talk about what in England. If you make a request to the Queen now. See what me have here right now? I have to buy one for the left and one for the right. I mean a gloves and everything. You know if you ask me, I'm not going to tell you that, but you see England killing them, you can ask them. The place called you. Miss Elizabeth, if you know what I'm going. Trouble in it, man. If you walk around England, them top there, it can't work. Trouble in it.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. If it's the first time you're joining us, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel so you're always updated with our local celebrity and international news. So dancehall entertainer Popcaan wants to know why there is a red flag against his name, causing him to be detained each time he's in the United Kingdom, and is calling on Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Most Right Honorable Mr. Andrew Holness, for answers. In a post on the official DJ's Instagram story on Tuesday, the recording artist displayed a paper for viewers stating that every time he's in the UK, he is given the paper and detained because of information that was sent by the country that I should be stopped every time I am in the UK, the entertainer stated. The entertainer shared the story with his nearly 3 million followers on Tuesday while in an airport in the UK. He then proceeded to Mr. Andrew Holness in an effort again to bring the issue to his attention.
I'm being detained right now, as you know. I'm in the UK, they gotta give me this paper and detain me because of information that was sent by my country that I should be stopped every time I'm here. I wonder why. Mr. Prime Minister of Jamaica, I would like to draw your attention to this once again.
In January, the dancehall entertainer was held in immigration, which his attorney Bert Samuel told a local news entity was something that happened whenever he arrives in the UK because a red flag has been placed against his name. Popcaan, whose real name is Andre Sutherland, had then tweeted, "I would like to know why someone with authority in Jamaica sent information to the United Kingdom immigration that I'm a gang leader and I got charged for a firearm. This is not cool at all from your own country. Why I have to be sitting in immigration for 3 hours." His attorney dismissed the allegation as false. On Tuesday, Popcaan posted the question again, why? The dancehall entertainer has created a name for himself in the music space and has also collaborated with a number of local and international acts. However, his fans are very peculiar right now as to why someone would want to tarnish the dancehall entertainer reputation in the United Kingdom. However, the government responded to the claims made against Popcaan, and this was what a minister in the government had to say in relation to Popcaan's claim. So the Jamaican government has responded to the claim made by Popcaan, stating that there was no request from the Jamaican government for Popcaan to be detained in the UK. So the government of Jamaica has not requested the dancehall entertainer Popcaan to be detained in the United Kingdom. Disclosure came from Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, Senator Kamine Johnson-Smith, in a tweet responded to the query from Shelley Curran, CEO of Shelley Curran Booking, which was made after Popcaan was detained on arrival in the United Kingdom on Tuesday. Curran, in a tweet to Johnson-Smith on Tuesday, highlighted Popcaan's situation in the United Kingdom, said that he is detained and asked to do so by the Jamaican government, and questioned why. Johnson Smith responded to Quran denying that Jamaica government has made such request. Dear Shelley and Quran, the government of Jamaica has not requested that at Popcaan music be detained, but there are many reasons why a traveller may be detained. I have asked the Jamaica High Commission to query into the matter as early as they are available so that they may advise the government, minister tweeted. The entertainer has since been released by the UK immigration body, and whether or not the entertainer will be detained once again he arrives in the UK, we just have to wait and see. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.